Now, the Wabash Valley's most accurate and reliable newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Welcome back, everyone. With the rain that we had around yesterday evening, we have an ongoing flash flood warning for portions of our Illinois counties for the next few minutes or so. That's ongoing until 4:45 Central Time for Jasper, Crawford, and over in Effingham counties, where you see this green box highlighted. But Storm Team 10 Storm Tracker pretty quiet out there this morning, not necessarily picking up on any of this rain throughout the valley. Just to zoom in on some of those locations that are again experiencing that flash flood warning, Robinson, Newton, and Effingham included in that area. Take a look at what we're looking at though heading into the afternoon. This is going to be a slight risk of severe weather highlighted in the yellow right here, but the orange, if you notice on our bar up here at the top, that is actually an enhanced risk of some strong to severe storms looking ahead at this afternoon. That is containing the city of Lagodi over to Washington just to the south of Vincennes. Stronger storms will set up along the center of low pressure that will track through the Ohio River Valley later today into this evening. That is why the southeasternmost counties of the Wabash Valley are included in that enhanced risk of some stronger storms. Linton in the slight risk and Terre Haute in that marginal risk, which is the lowest of the 5 risk categories looking ahead at the day today. So let's talk about what we have in store. First, starting with what we received yesterday. We had a ton of rain, and with more on the way today, we have a flash flood watch that will be in effect all the highlighted in teal counties, which is the entire Wabash Valley. A flash flood watch going into effect at noon today, lasting through Saturday morning. The green highlighting the ongoing flood warning along all of our local rivers. Check out some of these numbers over the past 24 hours. Rainfall totals near 3/4 of an inch here in Terre Haute, over 2 inches in Paris, nearly an inch in Robinson, a half an inch in Vincennes last night as those storms rolled through. Everyone dealing with a saturated ground at this point, and with more rain on the way today, that has prompted the National Weather Service to put out that flash flood watch. Temperatures across the board right now in the upper 60s, near 70. It's 68 in Mattoon, 69 in Effingham, 70 in KZ, and 68 here in Terre Haute. Notice that everyone has that cloudy sky that is in place. Now, we are dry for now, but again, things are going to change. We have the center of low pressure that's in Missouri now, going to track right through the heart of the Ohio River Valley, which is just south of us here locally. But all of this rain and storm activity is going to be making its way in. And heading into the afternoon, that's going to be the best timing for us to see those stronger storms. So let's time it out hour by hour on Futurecast, beginning at 7 o'clock this morning. Notice not much activity going to be going on during the first part of the day today. It's after lunchtime. It's as we get into that 2 o'clock hour, things will start to fire up for us. Watch this. Here's 2 p.m. Perhaps a little bit of storm activity out ahead of that main area of rain. Moving into Effingham around 1 o'clock Central Time, and then this spreads east throughout the entire valley by 4 o'clock today. Embedded in this line could be some of those stronger storms containing damaging wind gusts, perhaps some isolated hail, and not going to rule out a quick spin up or two with this line that passes by later today. Here's 5 o'clock, still exiting our easternmost counties by 8 p.m. We'll start to see that severe threat diminishing and then heading through the overnight tonight. Again, that's when it looks like we'll start to wrap up the severe threat, just some lingering showers into early tomorrow morning. So again, there's that risk map for the southeasternmost portions of the valley. Looking ahead at your forecast for today, rain showers and storms will be more widespread into the afternoon. Temperatures top out near 77. Now again, Saturday, a few lingering showers possible in the morning and then heading into the afternoon. This particular weather model keeping a chance of rain around, but I do expect most of that to be out of here. Skies become partly cloudy for our Saturday, and then putting us into Sunday. Notice that we really start to dry things out, and mostly sunny skies prevail for the second half of the weekend. So keep an eye on the sky for today. We'll be here giving you the very latest information with those strong afternoon storms that are expected. Showers continue into the first part of our weekend, then drying out. Cooling off though, highs in the 70s through the first part of next week.